Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need the class code, a school account, and access to the classroom site or app. Get those now. First, sign in with your provided school email. Make sure you complete any two-step verification if prompted. Once signed in, open the classroom app or classroom. Google, com, and click the plus or join button. Enter the exact code from your teacher. Double-check capitalization and hyphens. If you see a confirmation prompt, review the class name and teacher, then accept to proceed. Once you join, inspect the classes list to confirm the class appears. This ensures your join request succeeded. You may need to accept additional permissions, grant microphone and camera for live lessons, and allow notifications so you receive assignments. If the teacher requires enrollment approval, monitor email for acceptance and refresh the classroom page. Make sure you can open the classwork tab and view current materials. If attachments fail to load, reload the browser and try again, then move on to step completion. To finalize, open the stream or welcome post and acknowledge any teacher instructions so they know you joined. Then open and submit the initial assignment or reply to a prompt that confirms you have full access to coursework. If something goes wrong, try clearing browser cache, using an incognito window, or switching devices. These steps often resolve permission and loading issues. If problems persist, contact your school administrator or teacher with your account email and a screenshot so they can grant.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.